Children, I hope you all are doing good and you have started preparing for your exam semester 1, as ICASC has already released specimen papers for all the subjects for classes 9 and 10, and today I will be taking one of the questions from physics specimen paper, that is question number 1 F part, that I will be discussing today. And now the question states that the diagram below shows an image formed at a distance of 36 centimeter from the lens LL dash of focal length 12 centimeter. With respect to this, answer the following question. First part they are asking, this is the diagram they have given. First part they are asking the position of object on left hand side should be. See, they have given 4 options. I have not written that. I will be directly finding out the answer and you can just check that, right? Okay, so since see what is given to us, focal length is given 12 centimeter. So you know focal length is what? It is distance from the center of the lens to this focus, right? And it is not mentioned which lens is given, but yes, the diagram clearly shows that it is a convex lens. Why? Because you can see images formed on the other side of the lens, that is here on the right hand side. So we have studied in convex lens the image is formed on the right hand side, whereas in case of concave lens the image is formed on the left hand side only. For convex it could be left, right, both, but since it is right, so it confirms that it is your convex lens only, right? Okay, so now they are asking what will be the position on left hand side, right, of the object. See, focal length is 12. If this is 12, this is also 12, right? So total becomes 24, right? And you should remember, when is the image formed beyond 2f? So it is formed when the object is at, not at, actually it is between f and 2f. So this distance is your 12, right? And this total will be 24. So I can say one of the options given, you can check the answer. The answer would be, for this case, the answer would be that the image formed should be, the object should be between 2f and f, that is between 24 to 12 centimeter. Right, this is the answer for the first part. Now next they are saying find the power of the lens. So power of the lens, I know formula for power is 1 by focal length and f has to be taken in meter, but in the question, as you can see, it is given 12 centimeter, right? 12 centimeter. So I can just write it like this, 1 upon 12 by 100 to convert it in meter, and when you are going to do this, you will get 100 by 12, and you can just solve this, and what you are going to get, 8.33d. See, in option there is plus 8.33d also and minus 8.33d also. So because it is a convex lens, so answer would be in plus, because we know power for convex lens is always in positive, right? Okay, now question number 3, the object distance with the sign convention they are asking. So for that they have given different options. We should know the formula, that is lens formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. This is the formula. Since focal length is already given 12, and we know that focal length is always in positive when you are talking of convex lens. So putting the sign in this case is very important whenever you are finding whenever you are doing numericals from this chapter. Okay, and you see, I cannot say because they are asking me the object distance, because I know that the object would be between 12 and 24. I don't know the exact position, so to find that I don't know u, right? And v is also given. See, you know, it's written in the question that the image is formed at a distance of 36 centimeters. So it means that v is given 36, and you can see because image is here on the right hand side, so I have to take plus, right? So you just put these things here. So I'll write 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by 36 minus 1 by u, and it becomes 1 by 12 minus 1 by 36 is equal to 1 by u, right, with minus sign. You can take the LCM. So 36 is 1, you'll write 3 minus 1 is equal to 1 by u. So you get 2/36, and that gives you your answer. What you are going to get? You are going to get 1/18 with minus sign. See, this negative will come automatically because I know my object is always on left hand side because it is taken on left hand side, and we know by sign convention it should come negative, right? So this is very important here, right? Okay, now the last part states that if the lens L dash is replaced by another lens of the same type but focal length 15 centimeter, then for the same object the distance they are asking. They have given us various options and they have said that the size of the image will increase, decrease, remain same, and so on. For that I am going to show you one picture. You can see here, in this picture you can see as we increase the focal length of the lens, the size of the image formed increases. As you just see the last picture, 135 mm, 200 mm and 300 mm, you can clearly make the difference that as the focal length of the lens increases, the size of the image formed will be more. Like in 300 mm, the size of the hut appears to be larger compared to the other two cases. So answer to the question would be, there would be increase in the size of the image as you increase the focal length.